To fix emails not getting on your iPhone, you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to any kind of internet connection. So scroll from the very top right hand side and make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data. So if you have not connected to any of it, then you won't be able to receive the emails on. So the next thing which you can do is that you just need to open settings on device, and after settings you just need to scroll down until you see the option of app. So click on it, and from here you just need to check the mail app. So open the mail app, and from here tap on the option of mail account at the very top and click on the option of add account. So if you have not added any account on it, then you won't be able to get mail on it. So simply add the account which you want to add. So you'll see the option of iCloud, Microsoft Exchange, Google, Yahoo, AOL, Outlook, and you may also see the option of other. So click on the option of other if you want to add all of it from here. So the next step of fixing it is that you just need to stay on settings and click on the option of general and click on iPhone storage. So from here you just need to scroll down until you see the option of mail. So scroll down, and here you will see the option of mail. So under the mail you will see the option of offload app. If you don't see the option of upload app, you just need to go on the option of software update, and you just need to make sure that your iPhone is up to date to get that version. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to fix the issue of not getting emails on your iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.